What's up? I just got another PR package and I thought it would be pretty fun if we open it together. This is from Wild Cherry Pepsi. Okay, first, Wild Cherry sweatshirt. But then it's like a box inside of a box. You guys know how I feel about this. I don't know why they get these packages in like so tightly. Honey, I need you to come get this box out for me, please. Why is this so difficult?
Okay, give it. Let go. Let go.
Second box. All right. Ooh, this is like Pepsi. This is fancy. 2 sticker packs. Pepsi on Pepsi, baby. Pepsi keychain. How freaking cute is that? And then they sent me this Metro Mini Sound on the Go. Oh, it's a speaker. Well, that's cool. Thanks, Pepsi. I have all of my Pepsi items. Now we must try the cherry Pepsi. Oh, it's 0 sugar wild cherry. Hey, nice. That was a good sizzle. Actually, that's pretty good. Okay, Pepsi. I'm impressed. I'm having my wild cherry moment right now.